AI, certainly AI broadly, I mean, and also technologies like spatial computing or other kinds of emerging tech or even just software generally, mobile apps even, have been very disruptive for all kinds of businesses. And so honestly, the more established a business is, the more, I think, reluctant it tends to be, the more difficult it is for them to really get actively interested in building the kinds of things that a team I would lead would come in, or in a strategy engagement that I would bring to a company. You know, often we'll do strategy engagements around near futurism, like connecting, which I describe near futurism as really just connecting what's emerging as possible today with immediate practical value for the clients that we work with. And it's relatively easy for companies to reach out and hire us, hire me, hire Reddinng Futures, my company, to do this kind of workshop. You know, what's the current state of the business? What's now emerging as new possibilities, AI, spatial computing, other tech, and then connecting these dots, right? Okay, so how does this new possibility, how can we use it to improve this aspect of the business, right? Connecting possible and practical. So that kind of workshop that we call near future workshop, it's easy to engage with if you're a business leader. It's easy for us to deliver. But then the question is, okay, what comes out of that, and how does the business evolve from there? And that's where it gets much more difficult, because inevitably, you know, these ideas, these hypotheses that come out of these workshops imply changing some aspect of the business model. And this is the nature of disruption. And I think, you know, as we've seen, if businesses don't disrupt themselves, if they don't do the difficult work of evolving how they do business, then other companies are going to show up and deliver the same kind of product or service more efficiently, more cheaply, in a way that's more fun, more accessible to younger people, like whatever it is, right? And